And the race is on. Lovable Frances, My Jopeng. War Alert. On the outside is Doomstead. On the further outside is Super Elegant. Moving up by Doral Security Check. Daman Surya. Deadly Storm. Magnolia. Alongside Yes Joey and Ruby Gentry is running at the tail of the field. My Jopeng. Lovable Frances. Security Check. War Alert. The outstanding favorite racing on the outside. Lovable Frances, this time by Anek, followed by My Jopeng. War Alert, racing in third by about 2 lines. Security Check, Doomstead, Daman Surya. As they race the last 450, Lovable Frances, My Jopeng firing it out for the lead. War Alert, racing in third on the outside. Security Check, Lovable Frances, My Jopeng, and War Alert. My Jopeng, Lovable Frances down on the inside, and War Alert. It's now My Jopeng, Lovable Frances, War Alert, and nearing the finish line. My Jopeng, number 9. Lovable Frances, War Alert, Daman Surya, and Super Elegant for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 9, 4, 1, 10, 11 ang